break it.
Record digging is a lifestyle. We're absolutely obsessed with obscure records. We're music archaeologists. We're hunting down the lost artifacts.
That's all we were saying. Test me again and I'll knock you out with this now plane. I'm not even complaining.
Steven just complained.
I'm not complaining. You came
Steven,
at me
wake
with
up.
the...
Last night was really funny. I'm happy that we did it. We met these people on Hollywood Boulevard and they got us into the place like for free. That was cool. Shout out to Crystal and I don't know the man's name. And then...
Well, they don't even know that we went out last night.
Oh, well, we went out last night for like the first time since we got here. We just felt like we needed to do it one time. It was pretty fun.
What is today, boys?
Beach
Sunday!
day!
Yeah, I don't know.
What are we excited about today?
The beach!
Like ball.
The beach! I love the beach! Jack,
And
What?
health in our bodies.
just hanging out with you.
What do we do? Where are we?
What do we do?
What are we?
We are at Venice.
No! Huntington Beach.
How do you like it?
The parking lot?
Yeah.
I like how big it is, but it's pretty hectic in here, and a lot of people just like to kick it at their cars, so I don't know. Bigness, good. Like socialness, confusing. Yeah.
Bigness is good though.
Yeah.
All right.
Where do I do the deuce in
What
number
is
one?
that thing?
I got put on sunscreen.
I just look like a boy.
It's not like that I'm afraid of the sharks. I just like, that's just not a fun way to like get injured or like die, you know?
This towel he showers with here.
That's what we felt.
Keep in mind, he uses that towel in the shower. That's like, when you got
Jack, where are we at?
Bear Flag Fish Company.
To the lens. All right, today on Brian's food cam, we are at Bear Flag Fish Company. I got the pokey tuna burrito. I would say take a bite in a second. We'll come back.
Ken.
Alright, you want to tell me now, Max? Sorry.
Yeah, not a 10, 9. It's really good.
Look here.
I'm agreeing
Out
with
of
that.
10, probably 9.4. Yeah, 9.4.
These avocados are kind of hard,
Alright.
too.
See ya, boys.
Dude, that's fire. Watch, can't see it. Let the people know.
No, that was like PG-13. I didn't want to watch that.
Frick!
come give your official review on Huntington Beach. I like Huntington Beach a lot. Thanks,
I had a great day.
Played a lot of
I had a
spike ball
great
and
day.
sweat.
It was beautiful. The sun was out. The drive here was fun.
Why are you grabbing?
This sun is
Because I'm
bright.
trying to hold you
I
on
can't do
the
that.
Steven, you can hit that one.
Checking yourself out.
Yeah, on the lens, it's looking pretty good, so I don't really know what to say.